Are you looking to retire early and live life on your own terms? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you a game-changing strategy that will allow you to retire in just 10 years. That's right, 10 years to financial freedom. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on these 9 essential steps to early retirement. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. It's important to have a vision of where you want to be in 10 years. Determine your target retirement age, calculate how much you'll need to live comfortably, and create a detailed financial plan to reach your goals. Step 2. Save aggressively. Cut unnecessary expenses, increase your income where possible, and save as much as you can. The more you save now, the faster you'll be able to retire. Step 3. Invest wisely. Put your savings to work by investing in low-cost index funds, real estate, or other income-generating assets. Make sure to diversify your investments to minimize risk. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Maximize your retirement accounts. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k), and IRAs to supercharge your savings and reduce your tax bill. Step 5. Pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off credit card debt and high-interest loans to free up more money for savings and investments. Step 6. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Step 7. Plan for healthcare costs. Don't overlook the importance of planning for healthcare expenses in retirement. Consider long-term care insurance and factor in potential medical costs in your retirement plan. Step 8. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable, so be prepared to adjust your retirement plan as needed. Stay adaptable and open to new opportunities that may arise. Step 9. Enjoy the journey. Remember to enjoy the present moment and celebrate your progress along the way. Early retirement is a goal worth striving for, but don't forget to savor the small victories along the path. So there you have it, my friends. Follow these 9 steps diligently, and you could be on your way to early retirement in just 10 years. The key is consistency, discipline, and a clear vision of your financial future. I believe in you. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on achieving financial independence and early retirement. Thank you for watching.